Hello everyone, we're gonna see today how you can edit your listings within Etsy. Let's imagine you're a successful online seller and you have 5 products online. Well, maybe you're gonna have 500, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, well, that's enough, okay. It comes in moments in your seller life when you have to edit these products. So typically you need to change prices, titles, descriptions, quantities. Also, sometimes you need to add or change your codes, product code, barcode, ASIN, EN, and so on and so forth. Nembol is designed to ease your life while doing this. So there's a bunch of instruments within Nembol that enables you, once you connect the Nembol with several channels, to edit centrally, for instance, bulk edit quantities, bulk edit prices, or even change one product at a time. And there's even rules that enable you to set Nembol to trim parts of your product, quantities, title, according to channel's rules, so that it complies when you click list. It goes online without the need to relist. All this is done to ease your life, so you don't have to do it manually. But what if you are used to make those edits in a specific channel? After one of the latest Nembol releases, you can now make these edits within Etsy and import those edits within Nembol by the click of a button. In this video, we're gonna see how. Let's move on. If we go on channels, there's 4 channels connected. So we can check Etsy 1 settings. You can see import from Etsy has a switch, import updates, and we keep it off. Then we click get products from Etsy Nembol shop, which is my own Etsy 1. Yours will have a different name. And I gave it a go. You can see import from Etsy started, going products. See already now new products are coming in. And if you scroll all the way down, there's 1,583 products. We refresh. As long as it imports, new products will come at the top. It just takes minutes, right? We're not talking about tens of minutes. We're just talking about a few minutes. We go in the dashboard. We have an import here, which is completed. We'll do 2 experiments. First of all, we delete a product from Nembol and we click import again, and you will see that only that product gets imported. So when you click a second time get products from Etsy, there's no duplication, there's a protection for that. So I delete the first product, delete it from Nembol. This won't delete it from Etsy store. Now it's gone. Then I go in channels and click get products once again. So same process, import from Etsy, Nembol shop started. We go in dashboard, see, we have a new import session, which is currently ongoing. So Nembol is sort of like combing all your products in your Etsy store and comparing the product you have in Etsy with those products you already have in Nembol until it finds that single one that we deleted. We can refresh. So now it is complete. We go back in products. And this is it, right? So we imported it again. The total number of products again 1,755, so we didn't import any duplicates, and we're happy that we imported again a product. So this is a product that we deleted in Nembol. It could have been a product that you had added in your Etsy account. Second experiment we're going to be running is editing one product in Etsy, and we will see, clicking get product, that only that single product will be edited and not imported twice. So now we go in channels again. We go in Etsy shop and we change the setting, turn the import updates on, and we save changes. So we have to find a product. So let's see if I can find this first product here, Cocoa. There it is. So we found Cocoa, we edit it, and we change, for instance, its title. Cocoa, we put an uppercase letter, and we call it Cocoa 2, add a description. We save as draft. So now Cocoa is called Cocoa 2. We change the settings. We go in Nembol shop, get products again, and no products will be imported. Just that single Cocoa will be updated into Cocoa 2. There it is. See, in Nembol, it became Cocoa 2. And if we open it, we're gonna have description, add a description. So we showed you how to edit your products within your Etsy account. And hence, Do nothing, just have the edit from Nembol on, and Nembol will syndicate, publish, update all your listings on all connected channels. And now take a look at the screenshot and save it for later. It shows a comparison between the import updates on and off. That's it, easy. Don't worry, because when you click Get Products again, Nembol will not duplicate your listings. Nembol will only import from Etsy the new products that you have by then created within Etsy, if any. It will import products that were deleted from Nembol, and of course, it will update all existing products within Nembol with the new changes you've done in your Etsy account. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Nembol YouTube channel, and if you have any suggestions, please leave them below. And please also leave in the comments below what is your industry and what other functions you'd like Nembol to provide you. We have a free trial for 14 days, so come and try us for free. Cheers.